So let me show you how to remove the sound of a video or how to mute a video on your Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro. So go to the gallery and find that video. So I have plenty of videos here. So I'm gonna pick this one, for instance. So this is a very loud video. So to remove the sound, just tap on edit, and on the edit menu, you wanna go and slide until you get to mute. And then you can tap on that. And then now when you play the video, it's muted. And then you can choose to save a copy. Now, saving a copy basically means you're going to retain a version of the video, of the original video, in the new copy without the sound. All right. So here's the original video. It should be somewhere here. So that's the original video. And then this is a new video without sound. Thanks for watching and good luck.